Before we touch the crawler, let's define complete. For this fictional Northstar lab, complete means 4 useful pages: overview, services, support, and FAQ. It does not mean every URL the site can generate. The private route, search page, and print variant stay out. This list becomes our test oracle. If the finished crawl contains a 5th unexpected page, the green status is not enough. Open the isolated website. Crawl Lab Assistant, choose data sources, then add a data source and website. The dialog says to add only a website you own. If the approved host or path is different, stop here. Also record the current training data character total. That gives us a clean before and after number instead of guessing how much this crawl added. Enter the exact Northstar lab route and set crawling depth to 2. 0 would keep us on one page, 1 would reach direct links. An empty field removes a fixed depth limit, which is useful later but risky before exclusions are proven. Starting at the section root also keeps the source away from unrelated marketing pages. Separate routes are often easier when documentation and support need different selectors or update schedules. Expand advanced and use main only because all 4-page templates contain that element. This removes repeated navigation and footer text while keeping each page heading and answer together. Now, add the exact private, search, and print exclusions. Patterns are case sensitive, so compare them with real URLs. Excluded pages are not indexed, although their links can still help the crawler discover allowed pages. Choose add and index once, pending means queued. Processing means pages are still being fetched. Failed needs the exact error, and stopped means a person deliberately ended the run. Don't create a duplicate source because the first job looks slow. If page count or characters jump beyond the inventory, stop and fix the scope. Completed is only our signal to begin the audit. Open index URLs. We expect exactly 4 canonical pages. Search for private, search, print, question marks, and duplicate trailing /variants. Then compare total characters with the baseline. Delete removes a page from the current index, but a later crawl can discover it again. Exclude is a durable choice for a whole unwanted URL family. Re-index and check the list again after every change. Use view index content on one page from every template. Look for the page heading, style, complete conditions, and the unique fact. Repeated navigation or cookie text means the selector is too broad. Missing paragraphs mean it is too narrow. On the support page, the full sentence says the priority response goal is 2 business hours and includes Northstar Site 42. If that sentence is incomplete here, fix extraction before touching the model. In a fresh conversation, ask, what is the Northstar priority support response goal and website verification value? The required answer is 2 business hours and Northstar Site 42 from the support page. Then ask for the cancellation fee in 2029. That fact does not exist. The assistant must say it cannot find the information and invent no amount. Repeat the known question with 2 natural variants before calling the crawl reliable. Edit the source only after the first clean run. Choose no automation, daily, every 3, 7, or 30 days according to the current plan and the owner's update rhythm. Daily is not automatically better for static policies. Log the depth, page count, characters, and both answer results. After any selector, exclusion, provider, or content change, wait for completed and rerun the identical tests. The final renderer stays blocked until this whole capture, media review, and account cleanup all pass.